From school number 28, McCullough, Cousins, and Wells.
Oh, yes! 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 Yes, honey!
Yes.
The outside isn't even like crisp or anything, it's warmer. Well, it's kind of warm on the outside.
All right. How does it feel being a Big Slough? How about you? Oh. Wow. Yes. We go cow hunting, I'll bring us along. It's cow.
What do you cam a cow, man? Cow cam. Morning wake up.
Cow cam.
Campfire. Oh!
I have an orange.
Weapons good.
Web goes.
Oh!
What's an orange you have there? Oh, wait. Let's go through it. That candidates. Next, over here. We have my clothing.
Yes.
Oh, God.
Now we go to the weapons. This is an Easton bat that Justin broke. It's used to defend against Hicks. We can't forget about this.
And we had Hicks
And
last
then
night.
The gun.
The gun that can kill.
Then we have extra tapes, case, extra batteries, extra BBs, drink Claire, newspapers, keep us busy when we're not slothing out. Lester's fist.
Stove, Cap.
Lester's fist, the deadliest weapon.
Stove.
Stover.
We invited Matt Ward over last night, and he gave us some of those eggs. Encore. Tiki torch. Alright, I'm ready to cook. Alright.
Trash bag.
Wet trying to peel an orange. Failure. Web, right into it. So whatever you need there. Oxo, yeah! Axo's waiting for you, Hicks. Yeah, just sit here and wait for me.
Clam chowder that's not white.
That's Cajun style. Cajun style clam chowder.
The stove.
Watch
the
out!
infamous
Watch
stove.
out the operation of the stove. Watch out the operation of the stove.
There's a Nazi pump right there.
Ow!
Yes.
What kind of clam chowder is this? Yours.
The good kind.
Was that Campbell's
The
one?
flames. Damn, Martha.
That's a flame.
Flamer.
Are you cooking a clam chowder flambe?
Who brought the flamer?
Okay, here we go.
What? Rusty pondering by the sea.
What are you doing, Rusty?
Rusty, one with nature, Fagin. I guess.
And a gun.
One with the strong. He's got a gun.
Nature and a gun.
Mommy, mommy, mommy! Look at your son. You may have loved him, but now he's got a gun. You better stay out of his way. I think he's had a bad day. I think he's had a bad day.
Play reach.
What I got?
Better cripple.
No, bitter cripple. I'm gonna get you. Bad 24. Who's bad?
That's a work job. Kev, can we take this bat to baseball? Just go up there like this. Do they still laugh at you?
The fuck is that?
Like you try a bunt and you go like halfway.
Damn, Martha, that's the guy. What? Kevin? Oh, failure. I got it, Justin. With cinnamon rolls with anything. Alright, this is the easy open can. See how easy it is. Oh my lord. Popular. Not reading the directions. Show us the icing. The icing till you. No, that's it. Shoot you dead, man.
Icing. Oh yeah.
Icing. Yeah. Icing. You want one cup? Icing.
Wipe it off.
Icing. 2 tens. This is Kevin's tent. Oh my lord. It's a raw mess. Saran wrap, sleeping bags, condoms, hats. Women, the Amazon women.
They're asleep right now. They're kind of tired after last night.
A Grant, charcoal lighter. Overall, pretty fucking. The entranceway is totally disgusting. Damn, Martha. Oh my lord. Fucking mess.
I think so. I don't see them in here.
This is Rusty's bed. There's Lester's bed. There's Greg's web. And there's Tree's bed. Absolutely nothing there. Just the Axio hut. Sign of rain at the Big Slough camp house. What time is? I can't fucking. 12:07 and it's raining. Mad oriented.
Where you hitting it? And I told him maybe that's your I'm sorry. Stop off. Adrian! Black kid! Go! Run! The only 3 blacks side.
Good night.
Oh, Bastian! Bastian!
Oh. Yeah, I see that.
There
Alright, crash drum beat. Is she their lead singer?
Yeah.